This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, in this video, I'm explaining how to install Hadoop, Spark, and Java, Scala in Mac. Okay, now, first of all, open your terminal and simply type um, Java version. Okay, usually if you get like this means Java not installed, that is that meaning. Okay, and if you want just if you want to install Java at that time, I will share different type of go to meeting links. That means reference link from this description. Just follow that software. Okay, follow this YouTube description. And now Java 8 download. Just Google it, and I recommend go to first step. And now here I accept the terms and condition. Now this is okay. Windows 64. Accept the terms and condition. This is for Windows. In case if you, oh God, this is my mistake, just a minute. This is my mistake, no need. Okay, in case Windows, this is recommendable. In case Mac, this is highly recommendable. Based on your internet speed, it will take little time. And I'll accept the terms and condition Mac. If you are using Mac, just click on this. Based on your internet speed, it will take little time. Usually, it is required credentials. I already shared these credentials in YouTube description. Please enter these credentials. Okay. Please enter these credentials. Oh, just a minute. Okay. Enter credentials. I already shared in chat box. Do one thing, download anywhere. It is in download folder and save. Based on your internet speed, it will take little time. Same way, download one more software. It is for Scala. Okay. Highly recommendable version, Scala 2.11.12. Okay. And if you are using Windows, use this one. If you are using Mac, I recommend this is highly recommendable version. Okay, this is also by default, it is in download folder. I think it will take a little time. Okay, next, Scala is completed. Now, same way, please download Spark also. Spark. Uh, okay, yes. Okay, sorry. Spark download, go to first thing. I recommend latest version. Instead of 3.0, I recommend 2.44 and download this link 2.44 latest version and download. The main reason 3.0 it is still incubating stage, not yet completed. It will take little time. Similarly, Spark, sorry, Hadoop. If you want to download Hadoop, Hadoop also same. Download index. Hadoop download index. Go to this link. Any version is fine, but I recommend a highly stable version Hadoop 272. Go to this link and download this link. Okay, based on your internet speed, it will take a lot of time. Okay, Now almost all four important softwares installed. And one more thing, if you are implementing big data softwares, one big data technologies, I recommend IntelliJ also. Okay. And also if you want to practice Python, PySpark related things, I recommend PyCharm and Anaconda. These two also I highly recommend. If you don't have, don't worry. That's not a matter. Okay, always use automatically choose Mac. This color, black color community, don't choose this blue color. Okay, this black color community edition only. Okay, and download. It is based on your internet speed. It will take little time. Okay, now say now what happened? This is first of all Java almost downloading completed. So just click on this Java. Uh, Sometime you will get sudo something password etc. At the time please enter password and open. First step, open the Java and accept the terms and condition. That's why click and install. If you get like this password, please enter sudo password. Okay. Next, by default, where it is located, this Java file, it is in libraries Java virtual machine. In this folder, it is available. Okay, I'll show you that one also. That is also important. Okay, just follow that and close. Okay, now what happened? Okay, okay, no issue. Okay, now almost Java installed. Okay, if you want to test Java installed or not, testing purpose, open one more terminal and type. Now what happened? If you get like this, Java install. Earlier you got it something error. Okay. Next, how to install Scala. Okay, that's also same. What happened? In this terminal, Java completed. Now Scala. What happened? I recommend show folder. It's simple. I'm explain. There are many ways to explain, but I'm explaining easy way, best way, and recommendable way. Okay. Now let example Scala and Spark both completed. Downloading completed. Otherwise Scala completed. Now, okay, I will do one thing. Instead of physical like this, I recommend open terminal. Terminal. I think everyone aware of it Linux commands. So that's why Control L to clear the screen. Okay, now I recommend create a folder called mkdir work. Create a folder called work. I already created earlier. Now change directory to work. Okay. Now what happened? Change directory to work. Now, just now you got it something Scala. CP. Where is that Scala located? Downloads followed by SCALA tab dot. Then what happened? That Scala folder copy to current folder. That is that meaning. Okay. Now, similarly, Spark also same. If you want to copy Spark, dot. Then what happened? That is copied to local current path. Now what happened? This is Scala, this is Spark. Now please extract these files. How to extract? Tar xvf followed by Scala. Then what happened? Extracted all this everything. Finally, you will get Scala folder. Please note earlier you extracted this one, you got it Scala folder it is. Okay, similarly Spark. Tar xvf spark. Okay, enter. Then what happened? That is also extracted and copied to this folder. Similarly, in Hadoop also downloading completed. At the time, please load this Hadoop also. Downloads. Okay, extract to work folder and send this ditto tar xvf Hadoop. What is that meaning? You are extracting this file. In case Windows, right click and extract that folder, 7-zip and extract that folder. You get something, something, something. Okay, it's easy. I'm explaining the best way, easy way. Now what happened? If you don't want this zip folder, that means tar folder, delete. That's why rm star dot pgz. Otherwise, 1 minute, no need. rm had Hadoop star rm spark star rm Scala star g. Okay, tgz. If you want that zip folder, no need right now. Delete. Now, how to install Scala? Easy way, recommendable way. Change directory to Scala. Okay. Now, present working directory. This is present working directory. Where is this located? Copy. Now, I recommend paste in environment variable. Paste in environment variable. That's why simply bi tilde slash dot bash underscore profile. Okay, then what happened? You excuse me. Okay, either bash profile, otherwise bash us, anything fine. Just a minute. You enter tab, automatically suggesting many other things. Here, please check. You enter tab, automatically showing either bash rc or bash profile. Anything fine. Okay. Dot bash rc. Okay. Now, what happened? You have many things. It's simple. I'm explaining easy way, simple way, recommendable way. What is that? Simply, if you have already anything here, don't delete that. Don't delete that. This is very important file. Okay. And how to do it, I will guide. Okay. First of all, Scala where it is located. Scala. At that time, I for insert. Simply don't do it anything. Okay. Simply type export Scala underscore home is equal. What happened? Just now you copied Scala where it is located in this path. That's it. Completed. Followed by export path is to dollar home. That's it. Now 100% Scala installed. Same dito, Spark also. What happened? Spark, unfortunately, that is under pending. Just a minute. SK is to WQ. Oh, it is cats. That's it. Same dito. Change directory to Spark. Okay. Present working directory. Copy this path. Okay. Modify same dito. Nothing. No need to change anything. I for insert. Export Spark underscore home is equal. Just copy paste. Spark completed. Export path is for same details. Okay, dollar spark underscore home slash bin is to dollar spark underscore home slash yes bin is to dollar path. That's it. Spark bin and yes bin. Yes, completed. Now Spark installation completed. Same ditto. But in Hadoop, few important settings like core site.xml, HDFS site.xml, you must modify that. I will get you that one after 5 minutes. Next, if you are now present working directory, same ditto. Copy this. I think if you are using Mac, this is your username. I think it will change. That's why. Okay, don't follow blindly my description. Okay. Now same data. BI, not for that. I export Hadoop home and copy paste. That is Hadoop. Hmm. What did that mean? Hadoop also installation completed. That's it. Okay. That's it. Similarly, where is Java located? Java by default, where it is located? Java ls lib enter tab automatically you will get jav tab jav tab. Now what happened here? Java install Java 8th version. Okay. Now jdk 1 minute jdk home. Okay. Here by default Java available in Mac. Okay. But in case any Linux and other Linux environment, that is different. Okay. By default available is not. Okay. Now that is also I recommend. That is also please configure in environment variable. Where is that located by default? I for insert. Okay. I think this is my old setting. Don't worry. JRE no need. Okay. Simply right click page. Oh, sorry. Just a minute. Where it is by default available in this path. Yes, I copy it. One more time, just a minute. Copy. By default, Java located in this path. So, hyphen now. Okay, this is Java. Okay. The main reason, one more important thing I want to explain. Okay, one more important thing. Don't use 1 minute. This is my old setting. Just now I installed Spark, somewhere available. No need all this headache. Okay, ignore. I don't recommend. So just a Spark. This is a Spark path only. Spark old path. This is Python related thing. That's not a matter. Okay. Now 100 percentage Java, Scala, Spark, everything come. But Hadoop, few important pending topics pending. I will get you that one after 5 minutes. First of all, verification purpose. Please try Java version. Yes, Java installed. Scala, one more. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Oh, just a minute. I recommend close this terminal, open one more terminal. In this terminal, try. Why? If you modify anything in bash RC, okay, just a minute. I think this is also not working. I know that. I got it. What is the reason? Just a minute. Java, okay. User slash just a minute. Exp or expo. Oh, this is a small mistake. A small mistake. Equal to. Okay. Now Scala installation completed. Okay. Fine. Everything fine. The main reason mistakenly Scala it is path different. Just now one more important thing. If you modified anything in this bash or C, I recommend close this terminal and open new terminal. Okay. Now Scala. Something wrong. 1 minute. Now you got it. Okay, don't mind. I mean, listen, some rare cases, if you are getting like this, enter like this source space dot profile. Otherwise, some rare cases, restart your system. Now, Scala working fine. Please check Scala. Got it. Scala 2, 11, 12. Okay. Now, Control C to get out of this Scala shell. And if you want to practice Spark shell, this is also only testing purpose. Some rare cases, okay, use this command starting time at the time 100% working. Still not resolved. Please restart your system. Some rare cases only required. Okay. Source.bashrc. Please find all these commands from YouTube description. This YouTube description. Now, what happens? Spark shell. What you will get Scala terminal. If you are getting Scala terminal, almost correct. Everything working fine. Okay, that is that. And one. Okay, similarly, Hadoop, few important configuration you must change. That is, I will guide you after 5 minutes. Okay, just a minute. Now, one more important thing. If you get these two, 100% Spark working. Spark section available, yes. Spark, yes, working. What the version 2.44? What the Scala version? That's one. What the JVM? This one. So Spark also works 100%. It's fine. But Hadoop, few important setting. Okay, highly recommendable. What is that? What is that? I think everyone aware of it. This terminal Linux commands. That's why I'm explaining terminal. Otherwise, right click and modify that file directly. Okay. Now change the directory to where is work folder, Hadoop folder. Now please change the directory to etc Hadoop, and in this path, please note in this where are you right now? Present working directory. You are in work folder Hadoop etc and Hadoop. In this folder, few important configurations. What is that? Core site.xml, HDFS site.xml, yarn site.xml, and MapReduce site.xml. These 4 files very. Especially 3: HDFS, core site.xml, and HDFS site.xml, and yarn site.xml. These 3. How to modify core site.xml? Okay, core site.xml means it is nothing but main node, master node. Very important. If you know Hadoop, okay. If you don't know, don't worry. Okay. Please modify this one. Vi port site dot xml. Now what happened? Here by default there is no any configuration. Where is name node? You are there is no any information. That's why learning purpose, knowledge purpose. If you want, Google it. I'll give one beautiful resource link also. Hadoop. Uh, Hadoop standalone cluster installation. If you Google it, you will get this first link. You will get first. Just follow this link. How to install. Okay. Just one by one by one by one. Either Linux or either this one, Mac. Both 99% is same. Okay. Mainly, this is for this one. This is for Java installation already completed. No need. But this is important. What is that? Core site.xml. Inside this core site.xml, just configure this one. Just configure this one. Where is terminal? Okay, please copy. Okay, now it's fine. Now here in this keyboard, okay, here within this configuration, just copy it. Now what happened? Name node you are installing in this port number. That is that means. Okay, if you know, okay. If you don't know, don't worry. Okay, port site.xml completed. Same ditto. What happened here? Here hdfs site.xml. Inside this hdfs site.xml, please change this configuration. What is that? This is replication. Okay, so vi hdfs site.xml. Here also same. Just modify, and within this configuration, just change replication is one. That's it. Save this one. Similarly, this is what a few more, one more. Okay. HDFS okay. This is mapred site.xml and this is yarn site.xml. Yarn site only this is enough. No need second one. Okay, this is no need. At least this is enough. Okay, first one. Now vi yarn these three yarn site.xml and within this configuration that's enough. To be frankly, MapReduce no need. Why you are not using any MapReduce, you know? But if you want at that time, please note directly MapReduce not available. MapRed site.xml template available. That's why mv MapRed site.template MapRed site. Okay. Now what are you doing? You are renaming that. Okay, so vi mapred site.xml. That's it. Mapred site.xml. Here, just a few information. It's not too important, but okay. Okay, just use this one. Remaining everything optional. Properties. Uh, okay, and open terminal. Paste. That's it. Now, 100% Hadoop, Spark, Kafka. Sorry, Hadoop, Spark. Of course, Kafka also same. Kafka, Cassandra, if you want to install, everything same. Download, paste in work folder, extract, configuring environment variable. That's it. 2-minute task. Okay. Now this is 95% completed. Just a minute. If you are enter local host, SSH local host, Please enter. At the time, if you get like this, connection refused. At that time, please follow these instructions. What is that? What is that? Scroll up. This is intentional run for Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, if you want to install SSH, it is very, very useful and helpful. Okay, but in Mac, if you want to install SSH, at the time, please note this is very, very important. Go to system preference and sharing and enable this one. If you want to know, I will give you one referencing link also. Just a minute. Please go to your, okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. SHS in Mac. Of course, if you Google it, go to this one. Okay. At that time, this is one reference documentation. In this reference documentation, first setup, this one. Okay. Here, 1 minute. The main reason first step here. Go to preferencing and sharing and remote login. Please enable this one. Okay. That is working. By default, it is available. Okay. By default, it is available in system preferences, sharing. System preferences and share. Okay, system preferences. Somewhere. That's it. And remote login. Please on. If you have that, it is all user. I recommend all user. Okay. Then what happens? Remote login. Anybody can access right now. SSH. How to go to this one? System preferences, sharing, and enable this remote login. That's it. This is under sharing. Okay. Now you can access it. Okay. Now you can access it. SSH. Okay. Now still, if you do one thing, open one more terminal and try it. Now SSH localhost. First time you will get like this. Yes. If you get password, enter password. If you get any password, please enter first time. Please note, if you get this password, name node and data node is not communicating each other. At that time, just follow this link, referencing purpose. Okay. If you want, this is SSH followed by something. I will give a beautiful, okay, just a minute. Otherwise, just a minute. I will show you a beautiful documentation. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I recommend GitHub. Okay, simply follow this link. Otherwise, Medium also fine. These two I highly recommend. Okay, especially to install Hadoop, especially these SSH, prevent different type of password. This is a sample documentation. Otherwise, if you want just to follow, I already shared this command in the chat box also. But my intention, that's same. Core Java, Scala, HDFS, MapReduce, Foresight. I did same thing. Configured in environment variable. Okay, and configure this in foresight.xml, hdfsi.xml. Okay, same. Now, what happened if you enter SSH localhost, you will get like this. At the time, please find this command in chat box also available. Of course, this command, it is already available in this link also. To be frankly, if you want, just a minute. This is SSH keygen, SSH cat something. This is also available, but knowledge purpose I'm asking. Just execute these 4 lines. Next execute Hadoop name node format. Then it's working. Otherwise, of course, here also say execute these 3, right? And go to system preference. Just now I did. Same. Okay. So name node format. Same thing he did. Same. Okay. So that's why just to follow these 3 steps. What is that? SSH keygen RPA. Of course, here also you got it same. Just a minute. Okay. Keygen RPA. Okay. First, export this command in terminal. Okay. Now in this terminal, copy, paste. You will get like this. Overwrite means yes, enter overwrite. That's not a matter. Already it's available. You are overwriting that one. Okay. Next command, second one. Okay, copy this. It is to prevent that password. Okay, just now you got it something password. Prevent that password. Otherwise, okay, that's second one and third one. Just execute full privileges. That's it. This terminal. Okay, that's it. Now 95 percentage. Everything completed. Now, if you want to close this terminal, open one more terminal. Now enter SSH localhost. Yes, there is no any password. Earlier you got it something password. Now 100 percentage Hadoop, Spark, Java, Scala. If you want Kafka also same. If you want Kafka also I will guide you. That's also is not take more than 5 minutes. Okay, please find all these commands in my chat box in my YouTube description. Okay, here also same. Okay, ignore this one. Okay, one more thing. Kafka also if you want. I recommend Kafka download index. Go to this fine link. I recommend use latest version always, either 2.44 or 2.3, anything fine. And one more thing, Spark and Kafka, if you want to integrate, that is version compatibility, very, very important. Don't forget. And click on this size. What the version you are using? I think you are using Scala 211 at the time 211. If you are using Scala 212, use this. 213, use this. But Spark you are using 211. That's why I recommend choose this link. Okay, download this link, and it's not take more than 5 minutes. Okay, then open terminal. Okay, now it's not take more than 2 minutes. Just a minute. Ls. Okay, now Hadoop installed or not? How to check? Simply daily today onwards, if you want to practice, Hadoop name node format. I forgot. Sorry, HDFS name node format. If this is only one, just a minute. Okay, now HDFS. Okay, if it is not working, please enter source.bash profile. Okay, now 100% now Hadoop everything working. Okay, now if you want to practice, okay, now if you want to practice, and the Kafka installation also I will guide you. Kafka, just now you very change directly to work. Okay, CP, where is the downloads? Downloads Kafka, I think. Kafka dot. Okay, now tar xvf Kafka. Now what happened? Extracting that file. That's also same. What happened right now? rm Kafka. Okay. Now change directory to Kafka. Same ditto. Present working directory. Go to this link. Okay. Copy this link. And if you want to modify that, vi dot tilde dot tilde slash dot bashrc. Now, if you modify same ditto Kafka, Cassandra, whatever it may be, anything same. This type of mistake is important. Okay. Kafka home is equal paste. Similarly, path equal to dollar. That's it. That's it. Now what happened? Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, everything installed. Okay. Kafka also installed. If you want to practice HDFS command or if you want to start Hadoop, I recommend first step start and one more thing. Just now you modified. So if you modified anything in Bash RC, I recommend open one more terminal. Okay. Now please start dfs.sh and end start yarn.sh. If you execute this thing now, okay, and now if you get these four, that means everything working fine. Enter yes. Starting time you will get like that. Okay. Now enter JPS. Now, if you enter JPS, what happens? You will get name node, data node, and the secondary name node and resource manager. If you get like this, 100% Hadoop working. Okay. If you want to know what is the Hadoop command, I think you know that HDFS, BFS, LS. There is no any data. I think remaining HDFS commands, everything you know that HDFS, BFS, MKDIR, data set. And anybody interested, please practice this HDFS command. Now, if you want to try LS, you got it. So, okay, now it's working fine. Everything. Don't worry. This is a small warnings. Okay, if you restarted, most of these warnings, everything is not appear like this. Okay. Now HDFS command, anything, whatever it can be. Spark also working, Kafka also working. Okay. And similarly, finally, IntelliJ, if you want, that is also I highly recommend it. Okay, IntelliJ also, especially to implement big data project, especially Spark projects, Spark related thing, either Eclipse or IntelliJ. Now, this is drag and drop here. That's it. No need any headaches. Just drag and drop. Then installing. Then it will take just 5 to 10 minutes. It not take more than 5 minutes. Okay, Spark also highly recommendable to install Spark. Similarly, anybody interested to do it, there is a PyCharm. PyCharm also, if you want to do it anything in Python, at the time use PyCharm. Otherwise, no need as of now. Okay, no need as of now. If you want PyCharm and Anaconda, that concept I will get in my next section. Okay. Now, if you want to practice IntelliJ, that's also I will take a special one more video. I think now you got a blueprint how to install Hadoop, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that is today's section. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best to answer. Thank you very much.